That's my kind of pace. All right, day 2 in Stockholm. We started this run around 9 a.m. So that's about 3 a.m. Eastern time. I'm a little jet lagged, but we're getting after it. Oh, hold on. Sorry, the Garmin thought I was about to die for some reason. Second day on the Euro trip, first run of the trip. Heart rate's about 160, but I feel good. I mean, look at this. Crazy landscapes that we get to run in compared to the hot humidity back in DC. But yeah, first run in the books. Little jet lag, not much sleep. Ate really good last night. We always eat good. As you can see, we had like an organic garden, fresh tomatoes, fresh grapes, fresh apples. Cannot complain at all. No matter how jet lagged I am, just being in this beautiful nature in Stockholm is just incredible.
We got lost on the trail. That's what vacation runs are for. Right? Getting lost on the trail in the company of these furry friends.
Today's a relatively easy run. Trying to keep it around 950 pace. Let's see what we can keep up tomorrow, but I gotta rest some. This is continental breakfast.
Nu finns mobilen.
GPS.
Ta
Ja, Danmark.
om ni vill.
Nej, men vi har inte plats. Lyon, France.
Umbria.
Det är mycket gammalt.
Hey, that's left. Sit.